In this question, you are asked about the reaction of aluminum and iodine to make aluminum iodide, and you're asked two questions. The first is to identify which element is oxidized and which is reduced, and you have to explain your reasoning. The answer is the aluminum is oxidized and the iodine is reduced. There are two ways to explain this. The first is by the use of oxidation numbers. On the reactant side, aluminum has an oxidation number of 0, and on the product side, it's +3. If an element's oxidation number goes up, then it has been oxidized. Iodine has an oxidation number of 0 on the reactant side, and over on the product side, it's -1. The oxidation number has decreased, or it has been reduced, and if you reduce the oxidation number of an element, then that element has been reduced. The other way is via half reactions, and this also answers part B. The first half reaction we look at is the aluminum becomes aluminum 3+, and it releases 3 electrons to achieve that positive charge, and loss of electrons is oxidation. The iodine has to gain 2 electrons to become the iodide ion. Gain of electrons is reduction. The second question asks you to write out both half reactions, and we actually did that on part 2 on the previous slide. But to review that, the aluminum becomes aluminum ion plus 3 electrons, while the iodine takes in 2 electrons to become iodide. Loss of electrons is oxidation, gain of electrons is reduction.